Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to discuss the 15th topic from our English grammar book, and the name of the topic is more doing words. So in topic number 14 we have already learned what are doing words. I have told you that doing words are also known as action words, and the words which tell us what a person, a bird, an animal or a thing is doing is called as doing word or action word. I had also given you many doing words or action words on the board in the last video lecture. Today we are going to see some more doing words. Okay, so here you can see on this side of the board I have written some doing words. Now let us read out these action words or doing words. So the first one is EAT, eat. Eat. What do you mean by eat? Yes, we eat our food. We eat some fruit. We eat some vegetable. That is eating. The next one is SIT, sit. Sit. Sit on the chair. Sit down, we say. Yes, so sit, it is the action that we do of sitting. So sit is an action word. The next one is look. L-O-O-K, look. So look. We ask someone to look. Yes, look at that book. Look at that bird. So we are doing the action of seeing, looking. So look is an action word. The next is fly. F-L-Y, fly. The action of flying is done by the birds. They fly. That is the action of moving from one place to other place. It is the action of flying is done by the birds. The next is play. P-L-A-Y, play. You are very much familiar with this word. You all like to play. Yes, you like to play in the ground. You like to play in the house. You like to play in the school. So play is a action word or a doing word. The next is push. P-U-S-H, push. Suppose some heavy object is kept in between the class and your teacher asks to move it. What will you do? You will push it. You will apply force on it. You will push that heavy object and take it to some other place. So pushing is the action that we do, and so push is a action word. The next is live. L-I-V-E, live. I live in Kolhapur. So a person living in some other city may say I live in. The person living in Mumbai may say I live in Mumbai. So living is the action done by us. So L-I-V-E, live is a action word. Next is sweep. So what is the meaning of sweep? Sweep means clean. You may say sweep with a broom. Sweep the floor. So clean the floor. So sweeping is the action that is done by us. And so sweep is an action word. Okay. Now let us see here some action words are given on this side, and on this side of the column you can see some birds, some animals are given, and we have to identify which actions are done by these birds and animals. So we have birds, dogs, butterflies, rabbits, snails, monkeys and fishes. And on the other side we have bark, fly, crawl, swing, hop, swim and flutter. So now can you just see which action is done by the birds? Do the birds bark, fly, crawl, swing, hop, swim or flutter? What do the birds do? The birds fly. So I will match it. The birds fly. Now the second is dogs. What do the dogs do? Do the dogs bark or they crawl? They swing, they hop, they swim or they flutter? Yes, the dogs bark. So I will match dog with the word, action word bark. Now just see the third word, that is butterflies. What do the butterflies do? We can't say the butterflies fly because they don't fly high in the sky like the birds, but they flutter. They flutter, that is they keep moving their wings. So the butterflies flutter. So I will match the butterflies with flutter. The next is rabbits. Yes, what do the rabbits do? The rabbits jump, the rabbits hop. So the rabbits is matched with the word, action word, hop. The next is the snails. Yes, what do the snails do? They crawl, they swing or they swim. The snails crawl. Crawl means to move slowly. Snails move very slowly. So the snails is matched with the word crawl. The next is monkeys. What do the monkeys do? They swing on the trees or they swim in water? The monkeys like to swing on the tree branches. They hold the branches tightly and they swing from this tree to that tree. So the monkeys is matched with the action word swing. The last one is the fishes. The fishes, they live in water. So the fishes, they swim. The action done by the fishes is of swimming. So we have matched here the birds, dogs, butterflies, rabbits, snails, monkeys and fishes with the actions that they perform. So all of them perform some or the other actions. Now I will be showing you a small clip in which we will be seeing some more doing words or action words.
Now have a look at this page. Here are some doing words used for animals and persons. Now look at these pictures. Pick out the right doing words from the boxes and fill in the blanks. So the first picture you can see a duck. So the duck dash in the pond, and in the box we have swims and runs. So the duck is in the pond, that is it is in the water. So in the water what can we do? Can we swim or we can run? It is we can swim. So you have to fill this word swim in this blank. The duck swims in the pond. The next you can see the birds dash in the sky. In the box we have sit or fly. So what do the birds do? The birds, they sit or they fly? Yes, the birds fly in the sky. So you have to fill the word fly in this space. Now this is the third picture. The monkey dash on the tree. In the box we have flies or sits. So does the monkey fly? No, the monkey sits on the tree. So you have to fill the word sits in the blank here. The next is the horse dash on the grass. So the horse sits or runs? The horse runs on the grass. So you have to fill runs in this open space. The next is the donkey dash grass. So what can you see here? The donkey is looking at the grass or is it eating it? So the donkey is having grass in its mouth. It means it is eating it. So we will write the donkey eats grass. So you have to write EAT, eat, over here. The next is the mouse dash cheese. So what is the mouse doing here? The mouse is eating the cheese or making the cheese? The mouse is eating it. It has opened its mouth wide open to eat the cheese. So we have to write the word eats. The mouse EATS, eats cheese. The next one is the lion dash in a den. So den is the house of a lion. So we can say the lion lives, Lives, lives in a den. The cat dash milk. So what does the cat do? It drinks the milk or eats the milk? Milk is a liquid food, so the cat will drink the milk. So you have to write drink in this blank. The next is children dash in the park. So children, what do you do in the park? You play or you sleep? You play. So you have to write children play. You have to write play in this space. Children play in the park.